Tucked along the main Bukit Timah Road is a traditional Japanese spa that just opened in May 2009. Ikeda Spa is the brainchild of Singaporean entrepreneur Eric Tan and his Japanese business partner Ikeda-san. So Eric, can you tell me, how did the Ikeda Spa come about?
Okay, Ikeda Spa is actually the name of my other partners, which is Ikeda-san. He's a good friend of mine, and we've been good friends for like years. Back in Japan, we've been going to Ryogans. Ryogans is actually a Japanese traditional inn, which is very popular in Kyoto, a part of like Japan. And Ryogan is all about like a place where Japanese goes during the weekends to just relax and dine in, and they have their own private areas. They have like hot bath and massages and stuff. So that is experience that I never encountered outside of Japan. So when I came back to Singapore, I miss it a lot. So we've been talking about it, and we want to do something similar to Ryogan. Obviously, that is something very new to the locals. So we want to infuse some of the spa concept into Ryogan, and that's why it came about Ikeda Spa.
This is actually something very new to Singapore. So, why are you so confident that it will catch up here?
I have like talks to my colleagues and friends, and they've been crazy about Japan. And heard like especially 20s to 30s, maybe it's cheaper airfares. They have been traveling lots to Japan, and people is talking about like Japan cultures, their fashion sense, their makeup and stuff. So I think there's a market for it, and especially for Japanese expatriates, they've been homesick, and they're looking for like places where they can remind them back home. And that's why I chose this place, Bukit Timah, where most of the Japanese expatriates stay. So the catchment areas is one of the reasons why I think that is going to be a big hit.
So this is your first time here at the Ikeda Spa. What are the must-tries here? Okay,
there's actually 3 signature treatments. One is actually called the Yasurai spa treatment. This is actually a hair and neck massage. So we are using the warm chameleon oil, which is a traditional Japanese oil used by geisha back in the OH, where conditioner is still not popular. So they used it to condition and nourish the hair. So you use that to massage your head scalp and nourish your hair roots and stuff. So that is very popular among like ladies. It's a half an hour massage. Another is actually the Indian massage I'm talking about, which is the Ikeda massage, and that is all actually on our Gambayuku. So you basically have like massage on top of it for an hour or 1.5 hours. Another must try is actually our Hinoki bathtub. It's a bath salt.
So apart from the Japanese decor, what would you say is the most unique thing about Ikeda Spa?
I would think that is actually the services we are providing to our customers. We have some personal touch. It's like every customer walk-ins, we will try to find out as much information from them as possible. We'll ask them to fill up the forms with us, really sit down and talk to them over tea, understand what's their needs, like where particular areas they feel pain about, and are they experiencing some sickness, and how can our treatment help them. And after that, for every visit, we will actually sit down with them and find out the feedbacks, and we really get back to them on every negative or positive feedbacks, and that's how we actually improve ourselves over times. And our customers also feel it is actually because our personal touch. They came back to us, they see us as a friends rather than just a spa that they visit very often.
Enough talking, now let's try out the spa treatments. In the next clip, we get Akane to try the Japanese hot stone bed.